What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to actually be talking about ADA or Cardano and how it actually had a pretty amazing 2022, regardless of the market outlook. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. And you can see the title of the video that was published by finbull.com. Cardano dazzled in 2022 despite challenging year, network metrics show. So the ADA network continues to record growth under different metrics as the platform pushes to promote the adoption of decentralized finance or true DeFi. Interestingly, according to the latest data from Cardano Foundation, key network activities have registered growth in 2022 despite the prevailing market downturn. I understand if we look at the overall price action of any crypto, especially Cardano and anything else, it's going to sit at 25 cents. We know over a year ago today, we were actually at all-time highs of right around $2.90, approaching that $3 mark, which is absolutely amazing. But the question is, why did it continue to downturn although it's meeting metrics? Well, it's because the entire economy, the global macro and microeconomics, due to the fact that the pandemic issues were actually starting to shed light on those things, we saw a big correction in the overall market. So again, on December 16th, the Cardano smart contract feature accounted for the highest growth rate compared to 2021 at 394%, hitting the milestone of 4,445. These are big metrics that should not be overlooked. So again, I think a lot of people do not pay attention to some of these things, but they really need to. Native tokens on the platform accounted for the second highest growth at 192%, hitting a 7.3 million mark. Elsewhere in 2022, Cardano's transactions amounted for 56.9 million, representing a surge of 139%, while wallets hit at 3.8 million, growing 47%. So again, stop paying too much attention to price action. That should not be your sole metric that you look at when deciding, do I invest into a certain crypto asset or not? Because right now, as I always mention, is the opportunity window. When the market downturns and we see a crash, that doesn't really have to do with the actual technology behind it, but instead it has to do with the overall global economic situation. I think, again, this opens the door for a lot of growth in terms of investment potential, and also, again, financially, it could be pretty well paying. But remember, can never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any asset, but I can always put you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you are new around here, make sure you smash the like button, consider subscribing as well. Because one other thing I want to talk about here is, again, we saw that the delegated wallet spiked to 1.27 million with 27% growth while witnessing 66,950 new policies. Look at these on-chain stats. That's actually very, very impressive and should keep your eyes open for Cardano. In addition, a Cardano shark accumulation picks up with 331 million ADA amassed since November 7th, meaning in less than 2 months, 331 million tokens have been picked up by the biggest addresses or the biggest whales, sharks, in the Cardano network. The accumulation surge has resulted in a total of 4 billion ADA held by shark addresses, representing their largest supply ratio held in a year and a half. So again, this was from Sentiment. They said the key Cardano sharks have been accumulating steadily since June, and they have taken this level of dip buying to a new level since the FTX fallout in early November. Addresses holding 10,000 to 100,000 ADA have added $83 million worth of coins since November 7th. That is absolutely amazing. And this is what you would call individuals who have conviction for this token, conviction for this ecosystem. Because when better to buy something than when it's on sale? Compared to its all-time high, we're looking at a 1,000% increase in price action just to return to all-time highs. So for every $100 you invest today, if it goes back to all-time highs, you'd expect a $1,000 return. If you invest 1,000, 10,000. If you spend 10,000, 100,000. But again, that's for people who are able to stomach volatility and understand what does the outlook look like in the future. Charles Hoskinson, being the owner and CEO of Cardano, I think his potential to bring this back to its all-time high, as long as the global crypto market agrees, I think we will see ADA at $3, probably next year or the year after. So again, take that for what it is. Appreciate your support as always. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.